Choosing the perfect topic for your ebook is crucial. You want to find that sweet spot where your passion meets market demand. Once you've got your topic locked in, it's time to outline your book. Think of it as your roadmap, guiding you through each chapter and section. Now, onto the fun part, writing your manuscript. Set those word count goals and focus on delivering valuable content with a touch of storytelling magic. And remember, don't judge a book by its cover, but do design yours to be professional and eye-catching. Formatting your ebook is key for readability. Consistent fonts and spacing will make your content shine. When it comes to selling, platforms like Amazon PageEP offer great reach, but be sure to consider fees and audience. Marketing is where the real hustle begins. Social media, email campaigns, and collaborations can help spread the word about your ebook. And once it's out there, keep a close eye on sales data and feedback. This will help you improve and create even better ebooks in the future. So, there you have it, the roadmap to writing and selling ebooks. Dive in, get creative, and watch your passive income grow. Subscribe for more tips on making your ebook dreams a reality.